Hello everyone, we continue the reviews from the Alt 7 series, and now I would like to show you the Windows Maker shell. Windows Maker is a free environment that is a continuation in itself, a continuation of the new step environment. At the moment, the new step is developing independently, and the Windows Maker is developing independently. The latest version is 2013 year. Before that, it so happened that the previous developer stopped developing the shell somewhere in the 2006 year, and only in the 2012 year they returned to further development. In fact, this is a classic desktop in the next step operating system, which in the future, in the second half of the 90s, will turn into the famous OS macOS, or rather will become part of it. That is, when you use your macOS, some part of the interface, even if there is already a part of the code, of course, not like the interface, it is still contained even in the latest version. If you even run some Windows Server under the emulator for the first 90, probably the 9th year, or even some Cougar, you will even find something similar then. These are icons, of course. Well, this will already be changed. There will be a panel with a global menu on top and a dock on the bottom. So comrades, ladies and gentlemen, this is the very dock that will be used in the 10th macOS later. There are disputes about where the first dock was used, even jumps like dozens. Someone shouts in C2, someone shouts in macOS. I won't say for sure, and whether it's Sun 2, it seems to have appeared for the first time in the third version, Yes, Sun 2, 3 or 4. Well, already the decrepit grandfather of all docks, you can say, is in front of you. Here he is. So, we have practically no application. The keyboard layout indicator, it will appear the most interesting thing. In my opinion, we are not in a convenient place here. This is our settings. Russification is about 75%. You will not find Russification better if you have a desire to help the project. Go to the Windows Maker website, write to the developers, and you can help. Book in this approach. Yes, it's just for those people who don't want to waste their resources, but you have an old computer, some kind of second Pentium. There are 300 megahertz. There are 128 RAM. I think we just live. I don't think it can eat anything much there at all. And not at all not dumber than the same open box. It seems to me even faster. Something probably at the level of a Fluxbox. Fluxbox or black box. The black box is probably even smaller. What does the distribution package deliver to us? Nothing. Installer, Firefox browser, some kind of documentation, a synaptic for installing packages. The dope started. You can install some programs, so the list of repositories is being updated. In the repository of our Sisyphus, everything is domestic. A distribution with quite such an old history. Probably, it cannot be said that he is such a bundle of threading. I would say that for Mandrake, as I thought. This is Mandrake, this is the grandfather of Mandriva. Mandriva has thrown off its screws. Now it is called Blue. Rosaline Ox. But there is still some other Mandriva experience. Well, this is not what it seems to me. Oops. Let's see if we have it displayed quite correctly. Only a lot of indicators. See, that's not good anymore. This is already a tank. The solid British flag is called. You can move the dock as you want. Indicator. But the main thing is that everything works. This, I think, can be finished. Thank you for your attention.